Can't hear any sound from Alexa after connecting it as a Bluetooth speaker to your PC? This usually happens due to incorrect sound output settings or driver issues on your computer. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the sound issue to get your Alexa working as a Bluetooth speaker for your PC. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Tap the Start button on your PC. Go to Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on the Add Device. Next, tap Bluetooth. Searching. Now select your Echo Dot device here, and your Echo Dot is connected to your desktop. Tap Done. Now play music. Still, if you don't hear any sound on your Alexa speaker, that means another device is connected to your PC, like headphones or some other audio device. Now you need to select Amazon Alexa to hear the sound. To do that, tap System from the left sidebar. Next, tap Sound. Now select the speaker's Echo Dot or your device name. Then play music again, and here it is. So folks, this is how you can fix the sound issue to get your Alexa working as a Bluetooth speaker for your PC. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.